The universe is beautiful. When we look at images of nebulae, star clusters, and distant galaxies, it just feels gorgeous. But why do we find beauty in things so alien to us? As humans, we are naturally drawn into beauty to things we are familiar with. Oceans, mountains, waterfalls, landscapes deeply tied to our life on Earth. But why space? Our ancestors certainly gazed at the night sky, marveling at the mesmerizing Milky Way and its glow. Yet their sight was limited. They didn't see the pillars of creation or the Andromeda galaxy. Today we can, and it's changing the way we feel.
And it is beautiful, right? But why? Why do we find these images beautiful? It's completely normal that we would find images of sunsets or oceans or mountains beautiful. Those things are part of our experience as humans. But nebulae and galaxies aren't. Why is it we find these images beautiful?
One possible answer is that we don't just look at space, we understand it. The vastness, the awe, the scale of the cosmos forces us to reflect on our place in the universe. It evokes a sense of humility, connection, and a renewed appreciation for our fellow humans. These images often depict cosmic events, star birth, dust clouds, remnant of ancient explosions. When we look at space, we're looking into the past. Millions, sometimes billions of years ago, the light from these stars first began its journey long before the Earth or humanity existed. It's also important to note that many of these images aren't real in the way we might think. They're often captured in infrared or other non-visible wavelengths and then translated into visible light. The chosen colors aren't always scientifically precise. They're meant to represent data, but they still evoke calmness, wonder, and emotional depth. In the end, when we look at space, we're looking into ourselves. It's our story. It's our origin. We are stardust.
I don't think I know the answer to that, but I wonder if it might be that on some deep level, we realize when we look out at the universe, we're looking back at ourselves, back at our origins. Something about this feels like home.